What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Movies Allies after a very long time. Today we will be discussing how it is 100% confirmed that Tobey Maguire and Andrew Garfield will be appearing in Spider-Man No Way Home. We have some leaked set photos from the sets of Spider-Man No Way Home featuring Tobey Maguire and Andrew Garfield. They are both in a big blue screen studio where they are shooting probably Spider-Man No Way Home. They are both wearing their own Spider-Man costumes from their own movies. We are gonna break it all down, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you are a Marvel fan, be sure to subscribe because we always talk about Marvel here. So the link to the set photos of Tobey Maguire and Andrew Garfield is in the description because I have heard that Sony is copywriting all of these pictures. I can show them in my YouTube video, but you can check them out from the link in description. So the first photo in which we can see both of them is a little bit blurry, but it is still clear that one of them is Tobey Maguire and the other one is Andrew Garfield. Andrew Garfield is sitting on the right side by taking the support of the set. Next to him is Tobey Maguire in his classic Spider-Man costume. He seems a little bit fat as compared to his own movies. Overall, the set is looking 100% real and these photos look legit. When I first saw this photo a few days ago, I thought it might be fake, it can be Photoshop. But then more set photos leaked and we can see the same exact picture from another angle. In the second photo, we can see Andrew Garfield sitting same pose as he was in the first photo. Second photo is very clear. We can see Andrew Garfield on actual set of Spider-Man No Way Home. This can be Photoshop, but this looks very real and very convincing. The biggest thing that confirms that these set photos are legit is the set itself. They are in a complete blue screen studio, which means that Sony is not filming outside. Otherwise, someone could have taken a picture from very far away and Sony wouldn't even have known it. Marvel tried so hard to not reveal first look of Christian Bale as Gore. They were taking him from the place where he got makeup to actual shooting site. But in between, some people took photos of him and we can clearly see his first look in leaked set photos. He was wearing black hoodie to cover himself up and hide his first look, but still some photos got leaked. But his first look was not as much as important as these set photos are. Literally everybody is waiting for Spider-Man No Way Home to see Tobey Maguire and Andrew Garfield both back for their roles. Spider-Man No Way Home trailer even broke record of Avengers Endgame for taking most views in first 24 hours. Spider-Man No Way Home had above 350 million views in its first 24 hours of release. So the general audience and public are really excited for this movie. That is why it makes sense for Sony to shoot all the scenes of Andrew Garfield and Tobey Maguire indoor. You can later put them in the scene by CGI where they are supposed to be. You can shoot such a big and important characters openly on a street. That is why you are seeing both of these actors in a big blue screen studio. They will be later added to the movie via post-production. Marvel does this all the time and it is not that difficult for Marvel Studios. We also saw this set photo of Spider-Man No Way Home before the release of actual trailer. Some fans thought that this could be Photoshop, but it turned out to be real in Spider-Man No Way Home trailer. We saw a Feast truck in this set photo and apparently Feast is very important for Spider-Man No Way Home. Also, we can see Spider-Man waving an arm to Doctor Strange in this photo. So all set photos are not fake and there's a big chance that this set photo could be 100% correct. Sony copywriting these set photos is in itself a big hint that these set photos are legit. There's a big chance that Spider-Man No Way Home is gonna be directly connecting with Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness, and Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness might be second part of Spider-Man No Way Home storyline. We can see all of the characters of Spider-Man No Way Home in Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness. Most of the fans thought originally that Multiverse of Madness is gonna be introducing multiverse in MCU officially, but that is not the case after Loki show's finale. Loki show introduced multiverse and Kang in its finale. Multiverse was supposed to be big concept of Multiverse in the Madness and Kang was supposed to appear in Ant-Man 3. They both got their introduction in Loki show's finale. So Multiverse of Madness will not be actually introducing multiverse in MCU, but it will be continuing it. It will be continuing all of the stories we have left off till now. Wanda has gone crazy probably after losing her kids and Vision, and according to some legit leaks, she will be appearing in post-credit scene of Spider-Man No Way Home. We saw her mastering Darkhold at the end of WandaVision show and her children called her to for help. So her story will continue in Multiverse of Madness as Scarlet Witch, Master of Darkhold, looking for her kids. She is also the new Nexus being in MCU, so Doctor Strange might have a hard time fighting her. And also Loki's show storyline will directly continue in Multiverse of Madness at the exact time where we left it off. Kang is dead and there is really no one controlling the timeline right now. So Dr. Stephen Strange and his variant will be saving Sacred Timeline in Multiverse of Madness. So both of these shows will continue in Multiverse of Madness at the the exact time where we left them off. Same will be the case in Spider-Man No Way Home. It might end on a big cliffhanger, and we will continue all these three storylines in Multiverse of Madness. So that is it for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Till then, be happy and peace.